If you need an easy way to edit PDFs, sign documents, or create fillable forms online, you have probably come across PdfFiller. But is it actually worth paying for in 2026? In this video, I'll quickly cover what PdfFiller is, its best features, the pros and cons, pricing, and who should actually use it. And for now, let's get it started. What is PdfFiller? PdfFiller is an online PDF editor owned by AirSlate. It lets you edit PDF files directly in your browser without needing complicated desktop software. You can edit text inside PDFs, add signatures, create fillable forms, convert documents, share and collaborate on files, store documents in the cloud. It works on Windows, Mac, mobile devices, and basically any browser. Main features: PDF editing. The biggest feature is simple PDF editing. You can change text, add images, highlight sections, insert checkboxes, rearrange pages. The interface is beginner friendly compared to tools like Adobe Acrobat. E-signatures. PdfFiller includes built-in electronic signatures. You can sign documents yourself, request signatures from others, track signed files. For freelancers, remote teams, and businesses, this is one of the most useful features. Fillable forms. You can turn regular PDFs into interactive forms. This is useful for contracts, applications, surveys, business forms. It also supports reusable templates, which saves time. Cloud storage and sharing. PdfFiller stores files online, so you can access documents from anywhere. It also integrates with services like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive. Sharing documents with clients or team members is very easy. Pros: easy to use. One of PdfFiller's biggest strengths is simplicity. Most people can start editing PDFs within minutes. Great for small businesses. The e-signature tools and form creation features are very useful for small teams and freelancers. Works online. You don't need to install heavy software. Everything works directly in your browser. Good integration options. The platform with popular cloud storage services and business tools. Cons: of course, nothing is perfect and it has some downsides or disadvantages. Subscription can feel expensive. PdfFiller isn't the cheapest option available or the cheapest PDF tool available. It is not that, especially if you only edit PDFs occasionally. For basic users, free alternatives may be enough. Some features are locked behind higher plans. Advanced business and automation tools require more expensive plans. Internet connection needed. Since it's mainly cloud-based, the experience is best when you are online. Pricing. PdfFiller usually offers several plans, including basic individual plans, plus plans with more features, business plans for teams. Pricing changes often depending on promotions and billing cycles, but generally it is subscription-based, monthly or yearly. There is usually a free trial available, but make sure to check cancellation terms before subscribing. Who should use PdfFiller? PdfFiller is best for freelancers, small businesses, remote workers, people who regularly work with contracts and forms. If you constantly edit PDFs and need e-signatures, it can save a lot of time. But if you only occasionally open PDFs, cheaper or free tools may be a better option. Final verdict and conclusion. Overall, PdfFiller is a solid all-in-one PDF editor with strong form and e-signature features. Its biggest strengths are ease of use, power-based editing, and business-friendly tools. The biggest downside is the subscription pricing, especially for casual users. If you work with PDFs regularly, PdfFiller is definitely worth considering. And that is it for this PdfFiller review. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon for more software reviews and comparisons, share this video to your friends, and let me know down below in the comments if you have used PdfFiller before or not. Thank you for watching and see you in a new review.